What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Supercell ID in Clash of Clans so your village is safely backed up and easy to access on any device. First, open Clash of Clans on your phone or tablet. Once the game loads, tap the settings icon on the main screen. Inside settings, tap Supercell ID. If you haven't created one yet, you'll see an option to register or create Supercell ID. Tap that to get started. Next, enter an email address you have access to. This email will be used to log in and receive verification codes, so make sure it's correct. Then tap register or continue. Supercell will send a verification code to that email address. Open your email, copy the code, and go back to Clash of Clans to enter it. Once the code is verified, your Supercell ID is created and linked to your Clash of Clans account. That's it. Your village is now securely saved. From now on, you can log into Clash of Clans on any device by signing in with that same email and entering the verification code. No passwords required. Creating a Supercell ID also makes account recovery easier and helps protect your progress if you ever change phones or reinstall the game. And that's it. That's how you create a Supercell ID in Clash of Clans quickly and safely. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.